Hello, good afternoon. So today I'm gonna show you our second home. This is our home away from home. So right now we are living in our Alliance 33 feet. Alliance 33 RL. 33 feet siya. Tapos papakita ko lang sa inyo na dito kami nakatira ngayon. Kasi we are not at home. As you all know, we are living in North Carolina, but right now we are in Virginia. Dito kasi nagtatrabaho yung asawa ko. So, for the meantime, we are living in our camper or RV. So, this is what it looks like inside. Ganyan siya. So, that's basically the living room right there. The sink. This RV has an island table. Island table? What do you call this? I don't know what you call this. Basta that sink yan siya. Para siyang island table na rin. And ito yung dining table namin. Pero ngayon meron siyang blanket because the kids are playing. So they are like playing. They love to stay inside there. So just put blanket in there. It's like a mini house. Something like that. So this is Gray, that's Brooke. Kapoy eh. And then that yung sofa na yan nagiging bed siya. So diyan kami natutulog. Kaming tatlo actually. Minsan kaming dalawa. Minsan kaming tatlo ni Gray. So ayan. Dito, meron din siyang TV and maraming mga cabinets para sa mga staff. And that's where I cook. That's the kitchen. Parang living room kitchen. Ganun siya. Basta, alam niyo naman pag motorhome. Motorhome? No, it's camper. Say hi!
Next to the river, I know why.
Oh.
Hi!
So, ayan. So that's a fridge and then the hinihingal ako. Malapit na kasi akong manganak, guys. Kahit hindi kayo nagtatanong, malapit na akong manganak, mga 3 linggo na lang. Kaya super hingal ako. So yeah. We have a fridge and we have a pantry and another cabinet. Tapos ang gusto ko lang dito is ano ba yung ceiling? Mataas yung ceiling niya. So, parang nasa bahay ka lang. So, I like it. Nakakahinga ka. So, ayan. Tapos, meron din kaming oven. Actually, we have oven there. Pero, hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit dahil gumagamit siya ng gas ba. And dito kasi, libre yung kuryente namin. So, dinala na lang namin yung extra na maliit na oven from the house. Tapos yan. Tapos this is the room. The room. Yan, may dalawa siyang steps. And ito yung aming maliit na bathroom. May toilet, shower. Tapos maliit na medicine cabinet, mirror. Ganyan. Naglagay kami ng maliit na heater. Kasi minsan pag labas mo ng shower, mainit. Malamig. Kaya naglagay kami ng heater para at least medyo warm siya while nandito ka sa sa loob. Tapos ito yung aming Jesus Christ. Aming room. So, ang natutulog dito, ba't nalaglag yan? Natutulog dito most of the time, yung asawa ko, tsaka si Gray. Silang dalawa kasi hindi ako makahinga ngayon. Nabuntis ako. Hindi ako makahinga dito yung ko para ako nasusuffocate. So, yeah. Ganyan lang siya. Lagayan ng damit. Tapos, maliit na... We can actually put, I think a washing machine in there. Kasi may hook up siya, pero hindi namin siya nilagyan ng washing machine. Ano lang siya, parang closet, maliit na closet. Tapos drawers there. So, ayan, di ba maliit lang. Tapos, laundry basket. Oop. So that's the view from the top, from the room. Tapos yan, mga ano yan. Mga buttons. Yan, this one, this is the, like the tank, we call it black tank para sa poop. Medyo malapit na siyang mapuno. Tapos that's weird. Pag nagiging full na yan, i-drain or ipa-flush na namin yung tank. This is the gray water. Oh, the gray. It's full na, kuya. We need to dump the gray water. Gray water is from the sink, from the shower, and from the sink upstairs there. Later, I'm tired. So, that's outside. And tingnan mo yung labas namin. Ayan. May kapitbahay kami. Kadarating lang nila like 4 days ago. Yan, kapitbahay namin. Pero ngayon wala sila dyan. So they got a big, what do you call that? RV. So yan, ang dami namin dito. So umuwi kami sa bahay namin doon sa, talagang bahay namin sa North Carolina right now kasi, every 2 weeks na yung appointment ko. So, umuwi kami doon every 2 weeks. Just for my, just to go to my appointment. Doctor's appointment. Kasi manganganak na nga ako. And pag nanganak na ako, meron na pala akong bassinet, guys. I have like a crib in the house. Pero I cannot bring the crib here kasi it will take, big space for the crib. So, I got a small bassinet. So, ilalagay ko siguro dyan. I'm not sure where. Because we have a limited space. Tapos yan, pag during the night, pinafold lang namin yan. Ginaganyan ko siya sa araw kasi si Brooke mahilig magsulat or mag-draw. So, doon si Gray. Tapos dito siya kasi they are homeschooled. So, yun lang. This is the Alliance RV. Say bye.
Bye.